and some girls was fine. So
Wait!
What the hell is the matter with you?
I am your supervisor. Today is your first day on the job, and you need to be working.
Can't a brother take a 2-hour lunch?
It's 8:30, and you just clocked in at 8:15.
So the point you trying to make is what?
You have work to do, so follow me.
Smell like being gay up in her. Miss Werthel?
That's me. Who are you?
I'm Donzelli.
You a doctor?
Nah,
A nurse?
that's it. Nah, this is what you like right now. I'm an assistant to a nurse's assistant.
Minimum wage, huh?